Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. It's Madden Mikey, or whatever you would like to call me. Today, I'm going to be showing you. Well, I already uploaded one video, sniping filters today. And today's video is going to be this little pack opening. It's not that big of a pack opening. It's just like, I got these packs, and I was like, this isn't my good account. My good account, I have a bunch of packs. See, this is my crappier account. It's not really crappy. It's an 81 overall. Not bad. This is just what I have in case my good account gets, like, somehow hacked or something like that. We're going to hop right into these packs because, you know, I always hate the people that talk about them. Alright, let's see what this XP booster. Dude. Okay, so my goal right here is to get one elite out of these pro packs. We are down elite. Alright, 76. Not too bad. That's a high overall. Banger. We get a 74 halfback. Alright, let's see what we get on this one. Bang, bang. 72. We got two more pro packs. Can we come clutch with an elite? And it's not looking like it in this one. This will be my second upload today's, but I'm trying to post as much as I can. And Jimmy Garoppolo. He looks like a fine QB. Now this is the Team of the Week pack. They have been lit for me. There's elite. I'm pretty dang on sure there's elite. Here, I'm gonna hold on a second. Yeah, that's the elite. We're gonna open from the section. Okay. Alright, now I know which one that elite is. I'm gonna cover up. I do not know. Update team. That is something good. Is it halfback? Elite halfback? Yo! Yes! I mean, I got CJ Anderson, boy. Bro, that is pretty lit. Sorry, cover your eyes, guys. We did get that one elite that I asked for. What did I tell you? And we get a player pack. Can we pull elite in this one? Is it shaking? Is it shaking bacon? No. 77. Doesn't matter. Look at all these gold players we got anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 gold players to train. And plus an 82 elite. Okay. Alright, let's compare this to CJ Anderson. I don't know how to make my defense bad. No, what did I do wrong to my defense? See, it like glitches out weird. It's weird much. Then I'll probably go back and it's back to what it was. No, say something. Then giving up on you. 83? Bro, makes me an 83. Let's see how much this bro goes for with my doggy band. Really sucky. Good dog, by the way. Jay. I noticed Jay. He might be like kind of bad, but hopefully he'll sell for a while because he's not bad. But I think most people need him to put him in the set, I believe. And hopefully we make some coins. Hopefully Big Papa makes some coins, right, Barry? Alright, let's see. 140,000 coins. So I'm looking at about 135,000 coins. And I didn't pay nothing on that pack. I'm not even joking. 138,500. So you guys squeeze all the coins you can out of them. This isn't my good account. I'm literally pouring fire. On my good account, I have a bunch of Team Elite packs saved up. If you know what I mean, like I got a buttload of them Team Elite packs. I got here, I'll show you. See, this is my crappy account. And last thing before this video ends, and make sure you please subscribe, people. It will help out a lot. Because you know it helps me out a lot when you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100 subs. And please just subscribe and keep subbing and subbing. Join the family of like 95 subscribers. Honestly, do not get this. This is really messed up. Alright, so I watched the video for cash on my other account. But I get the cash on this account. It's really, like, legit messed up. I'm not even joking. See, look at all these packs I have. Look at how many Team Elite packs. If I keep pulling Elite from this Team Elite, that could be like 4 Elite. This pack of me, I don't see game day pack, I almost opened that. But, thank you for watching, guys. I love you. See you in the next video, which will probably, hopefully be tomorrow. Like at 6 a.m. because if it isn't tomorrow, then something went wrong or something. But love ya. See ya. No homo. Make sure to sub and hit that like button. Peace.